What is up, YouTube? What is good? I am back again with another unboxing slash review here. And of course, like I said, these are on the way. I think, oh no, actually I didn't order these from the last video yet, but I did end up picking these up from the skate warehouse here. And they ship super quick too, which is pretty cool. I ordered these on, I think it was Thursday, and they came today on Saturday, so it only took like 2 days, which was super fast. I thought it was gonna take way longer than that, honestly. But yeah, let's get into the review. I did just get these a couple hours ago, and wanted to save the unboxing for the video, so let's get into it. But of course, like I always say in every single video, by the title you should already know what shoe it is. And of course, these are going to be the new Green Noise watermelons. So let's pull these out the box. Boom, this is going to be my first time looking at it. Of course, I just opened the box. First time in hand, first time seeing these in person. And of course, let's take a look at the tag there. It is in my size, 10.5. And the color coding, color names Green Noise Watermelon. You can see it there. Green Noise Watermelon. Like I said, it's gonna be my first time, but like honestly, I think I said this in one of my previous videos talking about these. I wasn't too crazy on these when I first seen them. I was like, those are kind of crazy, those are kind of bright, those are probably hard to match. But of course, you know, I want to keep the content going, I want to keep making more videos, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna get them anyways. And honestly though, these kind of been growing on me a little bit. I've been seeing a bunch of different pictures of people putting different laces in them, styling them differently and stuff, so it kind of sort of been growing on me a little bit. Honestly, it's gonna be a little bit hard to try to find something to wear with these, or maybe just wear all black, but anyways, let's get into it. Of course, it is gonna come in your purple GR box. Just like every other GR, it's gonna come in this purple box. Let's take a look. I got my information here. Pack and slip, put that out to the side. My invoice with info, you see Skate Warehouse there. Boom. It's my first time ordering from them, and I'm honestly pretty pleased with the shipping speed, price and everything. And this was ordered off a link from one of the Facebook pages that I do follow, so shout out to the guy on that page that did post that link up. But drum roll please, here's the shoe. First time look at it, let's take a look. Bam, let's see, let's take a look at it. Of course, Nike SB sticker as always. First time looking at these in person, man. These are pretty bright. Not gonna lie to you. Honestly, not as bright as they were being pictured online. Of course, you know, they always like to crank up the contrast online. They always like to make the pictures super saturated whenever you see them online. So, first impressions. Honestly, not as bad as I expected. I thought the green was gonna be a little bit brighter, which, I mean, it's not a bad thing that they're not as bright as I expected. Because I was like, man, these things are gonna be super hard to try to find something to wear with. That pink is pretty bright. Honestly, I think a lot of people have been saying it gives off like a Miami kind of vibe, kind of like a South Beach type of colorway. This yellow is a little bit darker than I thought. I mean, they're not bad, honestly, not bad. It is an all suede shoe. Let's take a look at it there. Boom. You see, I like this shoe better there. You see that? Boom. What do you think of that? Look at that there. Boom. That's a good thumbnail right there, right? Boom. Enough of the bones. Alrighty. But yes. Look at this. Honestly, of course, man. Like I always say, man, these shoes always are usually better in hand. These are pretty crazy though, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna be a task trying to find something to wear with these. I mean, I still have a lot of shoes that I haven't worn yet, that I haven't really found a fit for it yet. And this is gonna be even harder because there's some stuff that I have that should be easy to find, but I just haven't really took the time to looking for stuff. But tell me, what could I wear with this here? What would be a good? I see a lot of people wear like black with these, just all black and let the shoes speak for themselves. Honestly, yeah, man, they're not too bad though. But of course, it is an all suede shoe. Other than the swoosh, it's going to be that bright pink leather swoosh. You have that green suede. You have this like yellow suede on the toe. You do have those really bright pink laces. You have that Nike SB tag there, green with that pink Nike SB focus there. There you go. You do have, as far as the insoles, I'll pull one out. I don't want to pull them both out. Let me see, actually, let me pull it out. You do have the pink, super bright pink insole. Let me take this off. I haven't been taking mine out lately. You do have that pink, super bright pink insole with the regular memory foam and that air zoom unit there on the bottom, just like any other Nike SB. And as far as the Nike SB branding is in that yellow. What is that yellow called? Is there a name for it? I guess not. Yeah, I don't really see anything for the yellow. And of course, inside the shoe, you do have that yellow tag, front and back. Tongue. I said tag. Yellow tongue. And it does have that same green tag, just like the front, with the pink lettering there. There's nothing special in there. Let's see. Sometimes I often forget to read off the manufacturing date for these shoes, which these were January 21st, 2026 through February 13th, 2026. So they only had about a month of manufacturing on these, which is cool. I didn't give it a toke test. Just gave it a good rip. This one has a decent smell to it. So these do come pre-installed with the pink laces, and they have those yellow aglets at the tips. See that? So you do have the green suede. Like I mentioned earlier, you have the yellow suede on the toe there. The pink laces, pink leather swoosh. You do have the pink embroidered Nike on the back. It's embroidered there. All suede. On the heel tab, you have that green sock liner. And you do have that green highlight around the tongue. And it is broken apart by that. This is, honestly, it's not really, is that black? Where's the black? This is kind of more like an ash. It's like black, but more ashy. It's not super black. Midsole there. And it does have that green stitching. The green stitching along that midsole. And it does have that yellow sole. Kind of reminds me of like, kind of like the yellow like on the street. You know, like the street lines. Don't cross the mustard. You do have that pink Phylon foam insert there. Honestly, these aren't too bad. I'm gonna say. So tell me, what are your guys' thoughts on this pair? I know that a lot of people aren't really too big of a fan on these, but I mean, I also saw a lot of people trying to go for these as well. Like a lot of people were trying to get their hands on these because these were trickling out for about like a week or two now. They've been trickling out. They've been hitting different skate shops. They've been slowly getting out there. It seems like this week was like the main kind of like release for everybody. Everybody was already pretty much getting their hands on these by now. Like all the major skate shops and stores were already pretty much selling these already. But about like a week ago, they were kind of slowly trickling out there. And I was trying to get my hands on them, but didn't get my hands on them until pretty much this week. And thankfully the shipping was super fast, so I'm able to get this video out now while people are still kind of waiting for these to land and you know, arrive, get shipped and stuff like that. But yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on the Green Noise watermelons? Honestly, I think these are pretty unique. I'm gonna try to see what the hell I could wear with these, because I don't really have much of any of these colors in my closet. No, kind of notice I like a lot of black tees with, you know, with graphic designs and stuff like that. So it's gonna be interesting trying to find something with, I mean, I don't really have to match every single color, but you know, something with a similar green, yellow, or pink. I mean, I might just try to find something pink. Who knows? I would like to find a hat that would match with these, but I think that's going to be really hard. Honestly, though, these are looking pretty nice. Like as far as the quality control, there's not really any glue stains or anything like that. They're not really smashed. I mean, there's a little bit of a toe crush here, but that's pretty normal on suede shoes sometimes. Overall, the quality control seems pretty good. Oh, I forgot to mention, they do come with the green laces that I see a lot of people say they prefer the green laces over the pink. And I believe these also have, oh no, actually they don't. They have a green aglet on there. I thought it was gonna have like a yellow aglet or something. Or pink, that would have been better. But I did see a lot of people putting black laces in these. It looked alright. I don't know, I might rock the pink, I don't know. Honestly, these are kind of giving me like Bubblicious vibes or something, you know, kind of like that old gum, you know, these bright colors like that. But yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on this pair? Did you guys scoop these? Are you guys gonna scoop these? You know, I wouldn't be surprised if these kind of like go for retail on the aftermarket selling. You know, honestly though, I think it's a decent shoe. Take a look. But yeah, throw it down in the comments. What do you guys think of these here? You know, these are, you know, an acquired taste, I guess you could say. Not everybody's gonna like them. Not everybody's gonna be vibing with these, but you know, that's where you get a chance to be unique and not follow what everybody else wants and likes, you know? So, like I said, throw your comments down, let me know what your thoughts are on this shoe. Are you gonna cop? Did you cop? Are you waiting for a pair? Let me know. I am also waiting on another pair that's currently shipping right now, which are the Saffron Quartz, which is going to be my next review. Saffron Quartz should be here next week. I haven't really seen too many people talking about those just of yet. They just started coming out. I only seen it come out really on only like maybe a couple shops, honestly. And I got lucky I scored mine. Because of course on the Facebook group someone posted up a link and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna grab these now before it gets a little bit harder to get and I'm late on a review. But yeah, be on the lookout for that video next. That should be coming out next week on the Saffron Quartz. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I want to thank those that are watching, liking, subscribing, supporting the channel. This is what keeps me going, is support like that. So I want to thank you guys as well again, getting me to 500 subs. I'm trying to work my way up to 1,000 now. So you guys can sub up if you're not already subbed. Please, throw a sub, throw a like, throw a comment down. I'm a pretty active, responsive replier to the comments, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. But other than that, I'm gonna cut this video short before it gets too long and it gets longer to edit, takes longer to upload and stuff like that. I want to get this video uploaded today. But for those who've been watching, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video next week. Stay tuned for that Saffron Quartz video. But other than that, I will see you on the next one. Peace out. Deuces.